welcome to the mat. This week's affirmation is gratitude. We have so many things to be grateful for, and yoga is an opportunity for us to put that in perspective. And this week's posture is very simple, devotional, and we're going to work through it both dynamically and passively to hopefully provoke some inner emotion and some inner wisdom for us to move forward into the future. Starting in a tabletop position, so hands and knees. Widen your knees slightly and draw your hands more forward of the shoulders, fingertips wide, folds of the elbows forward. Now level out your back and feel length through your spine. Try not to move the hands any closer than what they already are to start. On the exhalation, imagine a glass of water on your back as you slowly sit back towards your heels, forehead to the floor. Inhale, rise up with a strong center and just shift as far forward as your shoulders match your wrists. Exhale, sitting back. Just being mindful of all the sensations in your body. Inhale, rise, being grateful for the opportunity to move and breathe. Exhale, sit back. Inhale. And exhale. Just sitting back as far as you can comfortably. The goal is not the heels. Inhale, rise. 5 more on your own. Use your exhalation. Let the movement be powered fully by your breathing. And just try to swim in a space of gratitude that you were able to get down on the floor today, that you've taken time for yourself. Try to move with your breath, not ahead of it or behind it. Now on your last one here, take the knees just a hair wider. And if you need to, slide something between the heels if that's helpful, if you need something to sit on. Exhale again, drawing yourself back. Rest your forehead towards the floor or on a prop if necessary. Wiggle your sit bones back as you drape your body to the floor. Now as you rest in devotional Bhaktasana, I want you to move inward now, and for the next several breaths, quietly recite everything you're grateful for, everything that comes into mind. Don't let a second go by where you're not offering gratitude. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply, rise back up to all fours, slide your hands back, draw your knees in, and now sit back gently onto the heels or towards the heels, back into devotional. Inhale, walk your arms to the left and press your hips to the right, feeling a stretch open through the side body. Pause here and breathe. Imagine yourself untucking your shirt as you expose the tightness of your body. Draw gratitude for the feeling and sensation that's present, even if you don't like it, even if it's uncomfortable. Inhale, walk through center. And now move to the right as you swing your hips off your heel, Walk the outside arm away as you open the space of your side body. Great job. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale completely. Inhale, rise into a tabletop and gently come to a seated position, be it on the floor, a cushion, or chair. Sitting tall, again, we'll move into those 3 vibrant breaths. Moving into our breath with gratitude. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, I am so grateful to be alive today. Inhale. Exhale. Follow the thumbs to the heart center. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. I welcome you into a new day. From my heart to yours, from my soul to yours, namaste.